Welcome to my channel, guys. In my today video I'll be showing you all how to crochet tiny butterfly like this. So let me go straight to the point. I'm going to be using my crochet hook number 3.5 millimeter, my scissors and my needle, then followed by my yarn. So here is the yarn. So the first thing that I'm going to do, guys, I'll make a small knot. I'll make a small knot like that. Then I'll pass my hook in here and I'll bring the yarn inside. So I'm going to crochet 4 chain. One, this will make 1, and this 2, 3 and 4. So I come back to the knot where I begin and I make a slim stitch like that. So this is my small knot here. So the next thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to crochet 3 chain like this. The next, followed by a double crochet. I'm going to put the double crochet in between my knot like that. Then the next, I'll crochet 3 chain, 1 2 3 like that. And the next, I'll make a slim stitch here. Then the next thing, I'm going to make 4 chain. I crochet 4 chain, and the next I'm going to put 3 loops on top of my hook. Then back to my knot, I'll crochet triple crochet. So I'm going to crochet 2 triple crochet. That's the first. The second triple crochet, guys. Then I'll complete with 4 chain. That's 4 chain. Then back to the knot, I'll make a slim stitch like this. Then the next thing, I'm going to make 4 chain, back to my knot, I'll make 2 loops on top of my hook, and I'll crochet a triple crochet. Next, 3 loops again, followed by triple crochet. The next, I'll crochet 4 chain. So back to the same hole, I'll make a slim stitch. Then now I'll make 3 chain. Back to the same hole, I'll crochet 1 double crochet, a chain of 3. Back to the same hole, I'll make a slim stitch like this, my last slim stitch. Then I'm going to cut the yarn. I'll remove the yarn. So right now I'm going to use my needle. Here is my needle. So I'll pass it in. I'll put my yarn inside my needle. Then I'll sew it in. And I use my needle to cut. So this is the first stage of my butterfly. So the next thing, guys, that I have to do is I'm going to bring in my black yarn. You put the 2 like this, then you cut with your scissors So you hold it like this. This is the yarn. So this position up there. So you take your butterfly, guys, you pass it under like that, then you bring this position here and you pass it on top like this. Like that, pass it like that. Then the two loops, guys, you open it like this, you tie it the first time like this, then you tie it again the second time like this. Then you put the two of them together and you cut with your scissors. So that's, yes, small butterfly, guys. So if you have watched up to this stage, guys, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching, guys.